Hi, I'm Jacques Hestres, product manager with Pall Medical, part of Cytiva, and I'm here with a few folks from our team to be able to discuss filtration solutions that we offer for medical device needs. So since 2023, Pall Medical has been a part of Cytiva, which is a global leader in the life sciences applications. And together with Cytiva, we aim to be able to provide materials, devices, and different solutions in order to advance healthcare applications. We do this supporting applications all the way from the research and discovery all the way to the delivery of these life-saving therapies. And we do this together as a global team to be able to bring this to our customers. But we stand out as a trusted OEM partner because of our deep expertise in filtration and separation sciences. Filtration has been a key and essential piece of healthcare applications for quite a long time, and it just continues to develop. These different devices and filtration parts that we provide, they help to remove or reduce the risk of different particulate, bacteria, fungi, just different organisms to help reduce the risk to patients receiving these uh, life-saving therapies. And combined with our in-house R&D, engineering, regulatory expertise, and then the global support team, we deliver this reliable and high-quality products to our customers to be able to, that they can integrate into their medical devices. Cytiva is proud to offer all these OEM drug delivery devices, which include bulk non-sterile filters as well as syringe filters. You see the bulk non-sterile IV filters on the left and right hand side, and we have the syringe filters, just a few of them displayed uh, out in the front. The IV filters, which are like the micro IV, IV3, and IV5, they're used to filter intravenous fluids to reduce the risk of patients, again, associated with air bubbles, microorganisms, particulate. We also have the IV syringe filters, which are used primarily in single-use disposable sets and systems. These come in 25 millimeter as a standard, but we do have other options in different sizes to be able to match the application requirements of our customers. So we have our micro IVs, which here are just a couple different ones to be able to show. These have inside them, they've got a filtration membrane. Our brand is Supor membranes. And we offer these for low volume sensitive therapies. So these offer low priming volume, effective air elimination, which is critical in these applications that they serve, particularly in the neonatal and pediatric care. The membrane inside them ensures low protein binding, and we offer that with different electrostatic charge to meet different retention needs in the application. And they have different customizable options, such as different connectors, different membranes with different pore sizes, all to be able to match the requirements of the application for our customers. We look forward to connecting with you. So you can connect with us on Cytiva, our website, cytivalifesciences.com.